Now exercise 5.1 first they asked to discuss about the parabola of bridge, the bridge in the form of parabola. In that they given two information. The wide of the bridge, the bottom is 30 meter, the middle height is about 10 meter. They asked to find from the middle, from right or left side, after the 6 meter, what is the height of the bridge they asked. So I consider the parabola as an open downward. So maybe I take the diagram here and take as open downward. So the bridge we take as open downward. Okay. Now they given the bottom is 30 meter. Total is 30 meters. So symmetric about the y-axis take 15 and 15. The middle height is they given 10 meters. So what they ask, from the middle come to either left or right side 6 meter, away from the 6 meter. From that find what is the height of the bridge. So they asked to find what is the height. So to find this height, I just expand the line until y-axis, x-axis, and then mark point P, then mark point Q. Then I take the point as R. Anyone name they give. So what they asked to find, they asked to find what is the RQ. What is the RQ? So the RQ I want to find, I write total height BR minus PQ. So if subtract from BR, the BQ height that I take as a Y1, then able to get the required height RQ. So what is the BR? So middle is 10, so automatically BR also become what? 10. So RQ equal to 10 minus Y1. If you know the Y1 value, subtract from 10, you are able to get required height. So it takes as an open down. So you write x1 equal to minus 4ay. Now you able to mark the coordinate, the point take as a A. So what will come up to here x value is 15. Then come to y, the height is what 10 here also, so minus 10 for total. Then what is the Q? Here 6 meter, so until entire the line make out 6 meter, so 6 comma, the height is y1, so minus y1. So we take from, we want take the height from the y-axis, measure from the origin. So here until here I have assume y1, so y1 become minus y1. Now we aim to find y1. Before find y1, to find the value of a, to write the equation of the parabola of arc. So now substitute the value. Put a in equation 1 to find a value. So 15 square equal to minus 4a into minus 10. Then 15 into 15 by 4 into 10 equal to a. So minus and minus plus, bring it here. 3 5s are 15, 2 5s are 10. Then we have a equal to 45 by 8. So from equation 1, x square equal to minus 4 into 40 by 8 into y. Now we have x square equal to minus 45 by 2 y. Take as a equation 2. Next you want to find y1 value. Again, now equation 2, that is the equation of the parabola. This is standard form of open downwards. So according to the equation will be different from all the parabola. So now it's a this equation represent the bridge of the arc. So now the Q is passes through the arc is passes through the Q 6 comma minus 1. So substitute 6 comma minus 1 equation 1 to find y1 value. So Q in equation 2. Then able to get 6 square equal to minus 45 by 2 into y1. Sorry, minus y1. When I multiply, it becomes a 36 into 2 by 45 equal to y1. So y1 equal to 72 by 45. When divide this value, we are able to get y1 equal to 1.6 will come. So any doubt you can, you are doing an normal division 45. So 1 times possible. You want to give 6, 12, 7 will come. Then 6, 27 will come. Then you can keep a decimal point and 0, 6 multiply 5, 6 are 30. Then 1 in 3. Okay, 6 4s are 24 plus 3, 27. So we get y1 equal to 1.6. Now we want required height is what? RQ only we need. So we take as RQ. If it takes we take as a star equation from star r cube equal to 10 minus 1.6 because already given equation 1 and equation 2, so no problem take equation of the star. So from r cube equal to 10 minus y1 1.6, then the required height r cube equal to 8.4. So the height of the arc from the middle 6 meter, the height of the bridge is what, 8.4 meter. So the required height is 8.4 meter. Then therefore again required height is 8.4 meter. It's a very simple question. Just you know how to mark the point and the Q. That's a very important. You want to measure the y1 from the origin. So here y1, that height is represented as the y1. The total height is 10. So you want to find r2. So first you want to find the equation of the bridge, then substitute the q value, then only able to find y1. Clear? So very simple question.